Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to design a poster. So let's get into the video. First we need to open Photoshop. After that, we have to click on Create New. Then, set the width to 1000 pixels and the height to 1080 pixels. Set the resolution to 300 pixels per inch to increase clarity. After setting all, click on Create button. After pressing the Create button, such a canvas will appear. After that, by pressing this button, click on the gradient option at the top. Click on this arrow and click on Basics. Now click on this black and white option. Then click on the color box. Click on the left black arrow, click on color box. Then set color like me, or you can set color which you like. I am using light blue color here. Click on OK. Then click on the right arrow, click on the color box and set another color. I am using dark purple color here. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Then change the style, linear to radial. Make sure the angle is 90 degree. Then adjust the scale, click on Dither. And click on OK. Then import your logo. I am using here Twitter logo as a sample. Press Ctrl+T and lock the height and width. Then adjust or resize the logo, and place it into center. Double click on the logo layer, click on Color Overlay, click on the color box, and colorize it. Then click on Inner Shadow. Customize it. Click on OK. Then we are going to add some text over it, and design that texts. For that, click on the text tool and write Twitter. I am using here Nexa Heavy font. This is a paid font if you need it, so comment down. Then adjust or resize and place it into center. Right click on the text layer and press Convert into Smart Object, to apply filters. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Double click on the first layer, and go to the stock, click on color box, set white color. Make sure the size is around 1 to 3 pixels. Click on OK. Move the second text layer below the logo. Click on the first layer and set the fill to 0%. After that, you can see a text filter. It's pretty perfect. Then click on the first layer, press Ctrl+T to transform, hold Alt and drag it upper side. Do the same thing 2 to 3 times and fill the canvas. I am fast forwarding this. Click on the topmost layer, hold the Shift key and click on the second last layer. Group the all layer, by pressing Ctrl+G. Drag the group layer below the logo. Now, double click on the color filled layer, go to the gradient, click on the color box, click on Basics, then click on second option. Click on the right color box below, and delete this. Click on the left color box and change color to black. Click on OK. Click on OK again. Make sure the angle is 90 degree, and opacity is 30%. Click on OK again. Double click on the logo layer, click on Drop Shadow and adjust. Click on OK. Now, click on the rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle. Click on the rectangle layer, and convert it into a smart object. Then, write, Tweet by Text tool. Then, hold Ctrl and click on the text layer's T icon to select the whole shape. After that, click on the rectangle layer, and add layer mask. Press Ctrl+I to invert the layer mask. Then, delete the text layer. After that, you can see this type of design. Double-click on this layer, go to the drop shadow, and adjust. Click on OK. Now, add an another text layer, and write, Now. Double-click on this layer, go to the drop shadow, and adjust. Click on Gradient Overlay, and adjust like Twitter text layer. Click on OK. After that, we are done, and got this. If you want, so you can modify it more. So, that's it for today's video. See you in another video with a different design. Until then, stay well and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.